everyone, welcome back to my quick 74. Today we're going to this bike hobby. So all the bikes will contain, wait a sec. So as I was saying, all the bikes will contain different builds. From green fire to an awesome tree build. Let's go to the second bike with this bike. The classic. But this bike. Now let's kick this bike out then. Whee! Alright. What the heck am I in FNAF? What the heck am I in FNAF? What are you, entity? Alright, I kind of just made it. Please. Wouldn't for ending here on Roblox. Never. Not life. Let's erase this thing. Oh, I never seen this happen before. Not on this. Oh, there's a bunch of stuff. What is this? That. Oh. Sit button. Where is it? Oh, it's for the bike. Ah, sorry guys, I was a bit just too late. Whee! That's bike. What's this bike's build? It's a buildless bike. That is weird. Oh, this is its build. Whoa, that's a long linger laps. Trail. That's a very long trail up there. Alright, once I got. Alright. As I was saying, oh my god, is that rain? Is it blood rain or is that rain? Let's delete it. Cycle. Oh, the snake. He's super dangerous. And how the heck did I get this lot of heck? Please do not that. I'm just too good at building. It looks like it. And finally we made it. Whoa! Look at that. That is awesome. Let's take this gold. And this trophy is mine. Wait. Why does this pad go? Because I can't jump on this pad. I cannot even jump on the caution sign. What is this pad? First, let me just get this trophy. Wait a second. Oh. 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 Let's climb onto this pad. What's up the tree? I'm climbing it actually. God, I'm actually climbing it. I'm not flying. I'm actually climbing it. Can't see my finger, you know, but I'm actually climbing it. Yo, this one is so long. This is so long. Alright, let's this thing by the way. Alright, so hope you enjoyed the video. And this is the best way to celebrate our day. So see you later. Zip, zap, zap.